What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Matthias, aka Broken Elegance, and today we are making some Cyberpunk bases. Today's tutorial is going to be on Rosa Walton's I Really Wanna Stay at Your House, the kind of the theme song of Edgerunners anime series. I'm going to show you guys how to make the main Reese base of that tune. Let's begin with the tutorial. This is going to be really fast and simple. We have this bass line, B, F sharp, D sharp and C sharp, and I'm going to start shaping up the sound. We are going to use only basic shapes for this one, so it's easy for you guys to follow. I'm going to pump up the voices, add some detune. This is really random, you can play with values. Then let's pull this down an octave. Really starting to shape up. Let's add sub-oscillator. I'm going to use sawtooth for this one as well. We are going to pull it down 2 octaves. I'm going to direct out. I'm going to add few voices and some detune once again. But for this one, I'm going to add a low pass. That way we can have this detuned sub-oscillator with the detuned top layer. I'm going to pull down the stereo unison on the sub-oscillator, and if your track requires it, you can pull it down on the top layer as well, or on the spread. We can add some noise. Then I'm going to add this alpha 1. Now we are going to accentuate the wobbly effect on the original track. On the original, it could be also from the detuned nature of the Reese bases, but I'm going to accentuate it with this alpha 1. That's really nice. And we are going to take down the mix just very slightly. You can try out different filter modes and maybe add some distortion. And we can also add one more sawtooth wave here just for the sake, adding some voices to this. Let's route it through the filter as well. Then I'm going to add some compression. And some distortion. And some chorus. And we can also add a little bit of reverb. This is my personal touch. You can leave this part out if you'd like to. Then I'm going to take out the voices, add some glide. One last change, I'm going to pump up the sub oscillator and take down the first oscillator on level. And that's pretty much it, guys. I can't play this in the context of the track. This is pretty much the bass sound from the original track. Now there might be few nuances to the original one. By adjusting these parameters you can get really close. I think that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this sound, check out the Necromancy Priest pack down below in the description. It's a bass music focused priest pack for Vital, which is full of these types of crazy sounds, from Reeses to dubstep basses. EDM plug stuff. It's just amazing. So check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!